Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the Wagler Street Fighter competition rod, connecting rod. So right here in front of us we have one of we have the full set in the box. We're only going to take one of them out, okay? So this is the Street Fighter series. We'll call it a budget-friendly series. There's a couple different reasons. This works from 1989 to 2018 6.7 and 5.9 Cummins. It's designed to accept either bushing for a 5.9 or a 6.7 in here. They all come with ARP connecting rod bolts, of course the fasteners with that. They're all balanced to plus or minus 6 grams, that comes standard. But really what's really cool about this is that they're so budget friendly because, and the reason being is they're cast as forged and then shot peened and that's it. When you get to some of the billet rods and stuff like that, which this is still billet, it's just not. So what's really cool about these is they're cast from a 4340, okay, and then shot peened to remove some of the ridges to give it some rigidity and some strength. What that does is that cuts down the manufacturing cost dramatically, which makes them so budget friendly. These are half the cost of their counterparts that are all machined with like a Haas machine per se, okay, a 5-axis machine. These are cast forged. These are forged in a casting, shot peened, and then shipped out from there. They are all balanced within plus or minus 6 grams standard, like I said. You guys can hear Clayton back there. These bad boys are rated for 1,500 horsepower. That's, of course, you know, gotta have a rating. Everything's gotta have a rating. I can tell you just from experience and the couple thousand trucks I've dynoed in my life, I've seen these make more power than 1,500. Am I telling you and guaranteeing you they're going to? No. They're going to nose candy. Nose candy, highest so far is 1353. My goal is to make that, boom, daily driver that. And then spray it to 2,000 with these bad boys in there. And I'm not at all worried about it, but that's my own budget, okay? So keep that in mind. If you're trying to make huge power, really the cost is, you know, if you're trying to make 3,000 horsepower, you're gonna have to step up to the bigger ones. If you're trying to be in that 1,000 to 1,800 range, I think you're gonna be pretty safe with these guys. I can tell you right now, I've seen trucks make 1,800 horsepower, 2,000, right in that range, running these specific rods on my dyno. While we're spraying them, and if you know anything what nitrous does, it makes it go really fast, okay? It spools really fast. So anyways, these are the Wagler Street Fighter competition series. We had these in stock and ready to ship. Pretty cool when it comes to that. They all come with the ARP fasteners, lube. Of course, they got these fancy flyers talking about, you know, information and whatnot. They come with a full spec sheet. This beautiful box right here. Let's see. Like I said, Jonathan, you might have to cut some of this stuff out. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call. I'm going to redo that, Jonathan. All right, if you have any questions about this, feel free to give us a call, 1-800-577-2698. We have all the specs on our website, blessedperformance.com. Get them ordered up. Let's upgrade the strength of that 6.7 or that 5.9. Okay, my bad. Mine's a 6.7. Let's upgrade the strength of that 6.7 or 5.9 Cummins. Let's make some power. Let's make it hold the power as well with these bad boys right here. blessedperformance.com. Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. Check out all of our social media accounts. We got them all. Thanks again for all the support, folks. We'll see you at the next one. Beautiful box right here. We have all the specs on our website, blessedperformance.com. Get them ordered up. Let's upgrade the strength of that 6.7 or that 5.9.